Hello viewers, today I will bring a new video about HIV try-dot test. I will discuss these points about this topic: introduction, principle of the test procedure and interpretation of results. So coming to the first point, introduction. The HIV try-dot test is a visual, rapid, sensitive and accurate immune assay for the differential detection of HIV-1 and HIV-2 antibodies in human serum or plasma. This is a qualitative test and used to detect the disease AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Why the test is called as try-dot test? Because the commercial kit of HIV try-dot test is designed using 3 dots. The first dot for control, the second dot for HIV-1 antibody and the third dot for the HIV-2 antibody. Coming to the next point, principle of the test. HIV antigens are immobilized on a porous immunofiltration membrane. Principal envelope spike antigen GP120 and transmembrane pedicle protein GP41 are immobilized for HIV-1 antibodies and GP36 is immobilized for HIV-2 antibodies. Sample and reagents pass through the membrane and are absorbed into the underlying absorbent. If the patient sample contain HIV antibodies, bind with the immobilized antigens. After adding the conjugate, this is the protein A conjugate, it binds with the Fc portion of the HIV antibodies to give distinct pinkish purple color or dot against a white background. Coming to the next point, test procedure. Add 3 drops of buffered solution to the center of the device. Add 1 drop of patient sample, serum or plasma. Add 5 drops of buffered solution. Then add 2 drops of protein A conjugate directly from the conjugate vial. And at last, add 5 drops of buffered solution and read results. Read results immediately and discard the device immediately, considering it to be potentially infectious. The test procedure is differ from kit to kit. Coming to the last point, interpretation of results. Number 1. If only the control dot appears, the specimen is non-reactive for antibodies either to HIV-1 or HIV-2. Number 2. If 2 dots, one for control and other for HIV-1 appear, the specimen is reactive for antibodies to HIV-1. Number 3. If 2 dots, one for the control and other for HIV-2 appear, the specimen is reactive for antibodies to HIV-2. Number 4. If all the 3 dots, control, HIV-1 and HIV-2 appear, the specimen is reactive for antibodies for both HIV-1 and HIV-2. And number 5. If no dot appears after the test is complete, either with clear background or with complete pinkish or purple background, the test indicates error. This may indicate a procedural error or deterioration of specimen or reagents. The specimen should be tested on a new device. If you are studying MLT and visit the channel first time, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for more important videos.